After personally encountering the frustrating Discord black screen issue on Linux Wayland and spending considerable time experimenting with various solutions, I've successfully identified several effective methods that genuinely work, and I'm ready to guide you through each one right now. First, updating Discord and your entire Linux system is paramount. Outdated software frequently harbors bugs that directly impact compatibility, especially with evolving display protocols like Wayland. These updates often contain critical fixes for screen sharing glitches, ensuring your client and operating system are synchronized for optimal performance. Next, configuring Discord to utilize Wayland or Pipewire is a common workaround. Wayland's robust security model can restrict direct screen access for applications like Discord. Wayland acts as a compatibility layer, allowing Discord to operate as if it were on a Zorg session, while Pipewire is the native, modern Wayland solution, providing a secure and efficient way for applications to capture screen content. Ensuring this is properly enabled within Discord settings is vital. Our third method involves meticulously checking permissions and enabling specific flags. Linux, particularly with Wayland, employs stringent permission management. Discord might simply lack the necessary authorizations to access your screen or interact with Wayland protocols. Verifying Flatpak or Snap permissions if you install Discord that way, along with enabling any experimental Wayland features in Discord, can grant the required access. Finally, managing hardware acceleration and ensuring your graphics drivers are current is crucial. Faulty or outdated graphics drivers often cause rendering anomalies, including black screens during screen shares. Toggling hardware acceleration in Discord can force CPU rendering, potentially stabilizing the stream, while updating your drivers guarantees your system correctly interfaces with Wayland and your GPU for flawless visual output.